exposure limits is mainly focusing on chemical or physical agents to legislative OELs or occupational exposure limits in each market. For instance, like you are exposed to benzene and what the controls required. If you're doing any works in the retail fuel environment, your time weighted average exposure to any chemicals, your time weighted average exposures to noise, what the controls required. So all is covered within this area. And there is a process how to manage this, which we should be touching on in the topic later on as we come across. Moving on, SS, egress, our project size to be covered, barricading requirement. Like for instance, some important things. One important thing under the barricading requirement, we have a technical guidance. Maybe you can show this on bulletin. What is the barricades requirement in Minehut? We discourage use of these caution tips. We only use hard barricades in Minehut projects. So therefore, we expect to see Minehut barricade standards are followed based on that bulletin that we issued. I hope that we have actually copied the Pakistan team in the recent bulletin. Have you guys witnessed the document a bit? The barricading standards?
I believe you are copied in the email, right, Abid?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is a minimum requirement to manage barricades in Minehut sites, signages and standards. Yeah. So if you see soft tapes are not allowed in Minehut projects, simply because it causes housekeeping issues later on, and this does not prevent an unauthorized entry to this area. And the type of barricades, various type of excavations, trenching, work area organizations, pedestrian walkways, MEWPs, mobile elevator work platforms, crash barriers at the ingress locations. And in addition to this, we also have other signages requirements clearly and prominently posted in this standard. So Abid and the team here, field engineers, to make sure that these standards are applied in Pakistan.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Next will be mobile plant vehicles, travel and commuting. I wouldn't be reading every line item here. Just a quick high-level show. Taking you through what is the covered within our HSE management system. Can you go down, girls, quickly? Subsurface clearances before you do any excavations. You need to consider this dial before you dig all the approaches to make sure that we don't contact any live utilities around. How do you do utility mapping? How do you do site survey? Type of manual excavation before even you bring in or mobilize heavy equipment to excavate and so on. Yeah. There is also a standard method statement we have developed in Malaysia, which can you just show it to them and upload a server document in the day one that they can use this to standardize in Pakistan as well?
Actually, it falls under day 3, if I'm not mistaken, under excavation activity. So
okay, cool.
All the will be covered.
We'll cover you the work method statement, how we actually improve based on some learnings we had in Malaysia and Indonesia. All right. Next, also the cover about traffic management in our projects.